Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at the VIX cash at a better than 1 month low currently as the SPX is retaking the 50-day moving average today. Upside momentum in the SPX, then contributing to why we're seeing this downside pressure and implied vol levels. Realized volatility actually increased week over week when you look at 30-day realized volatility up to 14%. So what's really interesting here is the dynamic between realized volatility and the implied levels of volatility. Quite a compression now where we're looking at realized volatility around 14% and 30-day implied volatility at around 16%. At the money straddle in the SPX into 12%, so that's coming in quite a bit over the last several days. And we are seeing the SKEW index actually jumping out now, but to be expected when you see a better than 1% move in the SPX. It went from 133 to 143 yesterday, so a 10-point move in the SKEW index. Roll market headed into expiration for VIX options next week. We are seeing, again, steepening of the curve and the roll market continuing to widen quite a bit today. I do want to point out that the roll that will become the lead roll, December roll, is out to $1.45. So we're seeing that stretching out as well. So those front 3-month futures are down more so than the back month futures today. VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 106, low end of the range for the last several months. But what I can tell you, when you look at the options activity in the VIX, big action in October puts as we move towards expiration, highlighted by the 16 put line. 82,000 contracts have traded on that 16 put line and surrounding lines around that. So very active put action in October. Out of the money calls in January, 25 and 27 lines, and way out of the money calls in November are also very active. Next week, I want to point out earnings will be a big driver of the vol front. Certainly, expiration will be another big driver. Technical patterns are in play. The Fed and manufacturing and housing data will also influence the vol structure.